Captain. Hey, buddy, you're not the Zach that I know right now.
Well, I'm pissed.
You can be pissed, but
I know exactly what you're gonna do right now. I know exactly.
We're gonna take your blood. What we're gonna do.
I know exactly. I'm not taking it.
They have a warrant.
Well, I think we should get Judge Brown on the phone so I can talk to him.
Get your leg down, Zach. I don't want to do this either.
Well, what's it?
When Indiana State police officers arrived at Zachary Smith's residence to deliver paperwork, they observed the 12-year veteran pulling into his driveway, displaying clear signs of intoxication. Indiana Code 935-1 prohibits operating a vehicle while intoxicated, including by law enforcement officers. The officers, noticing slurred speech and unsteady behavior, confronted Smith about his condition, suspecting he had driven under the influence. Smith's refusal to cooperate escalated the situation, as he denied driving and questioned the officer's authority. This encounter highlights the duty of police to uphold the law, even against one of their own.
You tell me. I just got the call, man. They know what they're talking about. Go get the dog. Come here, Zach. Hey.
I want to know what I've done.
Come here, Zach. Hey, it's not worth it. Come here. Come with me. It's not worth it.
No. First day on the road.
Listen.
10 contacts.
Listen to me.
The people in jail. Like, leave me alone. Jill does her. Leave me alone.
Listen to me. Hey, it's not worth it. Trust me.
This is until now you're gonna come take my dog.
Do you think I want to?
No. Come on.
Hey, he's just here because I told
Come
him.
on in. You guys need a search warrant? No. Come on in.
Zach.
Do whatever you want.
Zachary, listen.
No, it's bull.
I don't want to be here any more than you want us here.
How much have a drink today, man? How much have a drink today? Why? Get the dog. Why? We're trying to get the dog. Why?
Zach.
I'm not going to have an argument with you, Zach. You're intoxicated right now. I know. I can see it on you. And you just drove somewhere, hopefully not with your kids, while you're drunk. It doesn't matter, dude. This explains why I'm getting the dog right here.
Come on, Zach.
What's been going on? Let's get the dog so we can go.
Come on, man.
Come on.
Let's get the dog.
What am I being arrested for? What am I being arrested for? Who saw me driving and what am I being arrested for? Did you see me driving?
Yes, I did.
No, I'm talking to this trooper right here who's arresting me.
I didn't see you driving, no.
Good, thank you.
I have probable cause to believe you've operated a vehicle while intoxicated. Must now offer to you the opportunity to submit to a chemical test and inform you that your refusal to submit to a chemical test will result in the suspension of your driving privileges for 1 year. If you have at least one previous conviction for operating while intoxicated, your refusal to submit to a chemical test will result in suspension of your driving privileges for 2 years. You understand what I read to you?
Yes, sir.
All right, will you now go down and take the test?
No, sir.
Okay.
There was no traffic stop and no probable cause for a traffic stop, so I have no clue how you get through a DUI stop when you don't have a traffic stop. I have not committed a crime. Have I committed a crime?
Yes.
How?
AWI.
Did you watch me?
Watch you drive.
Okay. Did you watch me do a vehicle violation? Did you do a probable cause stop, traffic stop, and have probable cause that I was intoxicated? I'm not doing this with you. Stop.
Okay, good.
You're rolling in my house because I'm predisposed.
We're getting a warrant.
No probable cause. They have no traffic stops. They have no field sobriety. No PBTs. They go, hey, you know what? I'm going to put an Indiana State trooper, one of their own. Alcohol. This is going to be fun. Nobody conducted a traffic stop.
I don't know, man.
I'm just asking. Do you understand this is not right? This is here. Ghost hunt, man. I've had problems. I'm going through the one now. They're hey, you know what? Let's get him. And I'm like going, what the?
Look here, first of all, I'm not trying to get in your personal business. I didn't know you were going through a divorce. I'm sorry about that, man, all right?
And I've had a drinking problem through my divorce.
Okay, all right.
It's one reason they fire me.
All right, thanks, man.
The officers informed Smith of their probable cause, citing his observed driving and visible impairment as justification for a chemical test. Under Indiana Code 936-7, refusal to submit to a chemical test results in a 1-year license suspension or 2 years with a prior OE conviction. Smith's adamant refusal, despite understanding the consequences, underscored his attempt to evade accountability. His colleagues, bound by duty, pressed forward with a search warrant to draw his blood, emphasizing that no one is above the law. This moment reflects the tension when personal loyalty clashes with professional obligation.
You saw me driving? Go ahead. Just go ahead. We're trying out for my head. Didn't do anything wrong.
What's wrong?
No, nothing. I'm a state trooper student now.
Yeah.
I'm actually his shift partner.
I asked because I recognized you.
I know, you did.
Do you have the
I'm not taking the blood sample away. Yeah, that's not going to happen. Especially that warrant is signed by somebody who never saw me do anything. And there's a lot of problems with this, so it's not going to happen. No traffic stop, no nothing. And they can't do it by force. New rules. I'm not going to take the market.
I don't think you have a choice at this point, Zach.
No, you can't take it by force. It's a new rule, so.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
I'm not going to have it. You're lying.
Who are these guys then, Zach? Enough.
You don't have a trap. You don't have.
Zach,
Listen to
We
him.
both know, and all of us know, you will all fail in court. Do not stop with me. I have enough going on right now. And this place is trying to bury me while I'm trying to crawl myself out of it. All for what? I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything to embarrass the state police. Now they're making me embarrass the state police.
Hey, what we talked about earlier, man, you're making this worse on
No,
yourself.
I'm not making anything worse.
You are.
I know my rights.
We have an order
I don't
from
have
the
to
judge,
draw.
and we're going to take
You don't have a traffic stop. You cannot draw my blood by force.
You'll
I
get your day
refuse.
in court, Zach.
Good, I refuse. Just like Mark Towell's boy did. He refused. Mark Towell's boy refused. You know where he's at now? He's back on government security. You can leave. I'm refusing.
I'm not leaving, and you're going to get your blood
No,
drawn.
I'm not. No, I'm not. And if you take it by force, there's going to be a problem.
We'll hold you down if we have to.
And there will be a problem.
That's fine. We're going to hold you down.
You need my blood to bury it. So leave me alone. I didn't do anything wrong to you. I'm not on duty. I work hard for the state police. Leave me alone.
You're
Why are
embarrassing
you guys?
yourself right now. Is what
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Because I'm going to stand up for my rights.
Zach, let him do it.
Let him do
So
their
we don't
job.
have to hold. If we have to, we'll hold you down.
Just let him
We
do their
prefer
job.
not doing it. Are you going to let him do it?
Nope.
Okay.
Do I get a search warrant?
No, we got a service warrant. And it says by reasonable
For
force.
what? For your blood.
Whatever arm you need. Which arm do you need?
This is not a traffic stop.
Zach.
Let them make their attempt.
All right. They'll attempt, and if you don't, we'll do the rest.
Do not do anything to these girls, Zach.
Captain.
Hey, buddy, you're not the Zach that I know right now.
Well, I'm pissed.
You can be pissed, but
I know exactly what you're going to do. Right now, I know exactly.
we're going to take your blood. What we're going to do.
I know exactly. I'm not taking it.
They have a warrant.
Well, I think we should get Judge Brown on the phone so I can talk to him because this is bull. Someone signed
It's not going to happen.
That's not.
He signed a warrant.
Yeah.
You can quit looking at me, son. You need to cooperate with these guys.
Why is this always happening when I'm in charge? Like, it's because it's you.
That's what you want. I want your cooperation with this test.
Zach, are you going to let me draw this?
Yeah, if you want to.
You have to take it by force.
Okay.
Let her do her job, Zach. She has nothing in this. Let her do her job.
It's just not right.
You can fight about that later. Right now, let her do her job.
Are you going to let me? You want to sit back in the structure?
Do the right thing, man.
Please?
Do the right thing, Zach.
No PC for the stop.
That has nothing to do with her.
No
Let her do her job.
PVT. No, I know how to do my job and do it for
Let her do her
15+
job.
years. How the f did you get a warrant? How did you prove impairment? How did you prove anything?
Facts.
How did you prove anything? You treat like a idiot. How did you get the warrant? How did you get the warrant? How did you get the
Zach, don't.
Get your leg down, Zach. I don't want to do this either.
Well, I went to Bill. Okay, stop. Guys,
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
You are.
Okay. Megan, you can take my blood.
Okay,
Thank
this is
you.
your one
Stop.
shot. Zach, your one shot. Let her do it. Just lay back and let her do it. Let her do
Hey,
it. Stay there.
hey,
Stay right
hey.
there.
I don't want to be here either.
That's
Here, scoot over on the phone right here. Lay back and let her do it now.
Put any of my hands on you guys. Stop.
No one said you did. Just let her do her
I've
job.
just got the tourniquet on in. That's all.
Stay back.
Calm down. Calm down, okay?
Step away from me.
I'm not doing anything,
Step
Zach.
away.
I'm gonna stand right here, Zach.
Because I don't want.
Why?
We got a legal warrant to draw your
Trying to fight for my job, boys.
Look here, I don't want to get personal. They're probably going to recognize you, the people that work here. Do you want me to say, hey, you're one of us?
Despite Smith's pleas and claims of unfair treatment, the officers proceeded with a blood draw, adhering to the judge-issued warrant. Indiana Code 936-6 allows for warranted blood draws when probable cause of intoxication exists. Senior Trooper Zachary Smith was arrested and charged with operating while intoxicated, a Class C misdemeanor, on July 27, 2023, at his home in Floyd County, Indiana. He was placed on administrative leave pending the outcome of the OWI charge. Smith's resistance, including threats of legal repercussions, did not deter the officers from enforcing the law. His status as a state trooper did not grant immunity, illustrating the principle that justice must prevail, regardless of rank or camaraderie. This case serves as a reminder that integrity in law enforcement demands accountability, even among peers. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.